Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to use DataMapper Extract to retrieve the related case records associated with an account with respect to an account ID. So I'll be providing account ID as an input, and based on that account ID we'll retrieve few account related fields, and then we'll retrieve the associated cases for that account. So let me just create a new DataMapper Extract. Get related cases of an account. So and the interface type is extract. As we know, extract DataRaptor is used to fetch information from the Salesforce. So the our type will be extract, and input type is JSON and output type is JSON. And let me just click on save. And in the extract tab, I will be adding that object, our parent object account. And let me just add the extract output path as account, and I'll be retrieving this account based on a account ID. So let me just filter out based on the standard ID field, and this will be the this will be the input account ID. And let me add few key mappings. So account number, account colon, then we can add name, account colon name, then account website, and let me just add billing country, and let me just preview this one. So in the key value pair, I'll be adding this account ID as a key, and value as, let me just copy this ID, and we are getting this account related details in the account node. Now what we need to do, we need to retrieve those associated cases record. And if I see for this Acme account, there are like four case records are there. So I'll be retrieving these four associated cases. So let me update the extract tab, and in the extract tab I just need to add the object case. And let me, so what will be our structure, like under this account node I want to show all the related cases. So let me add this one, account colon cases. So under this account node all the cases will be shown as a list. So, and there is a already standard account ID field, and um, we can just validate against with the, we can match with the account colon ID. So this is how we can just map, and we can just add more filters on top of it as well by adding the AND operator or operator, or we can just limit the number of records to be displayed, offset, order by, we can add. These are the this we can just update. But as of now, let me just copy this one, extract output path, and like I just want to display the case related informations like case number, then subject, priority. So let me add account ID as well. So colon account ID, then case number, then subject, then we can add a priority, and finally we can just add the case status. So our mappings are done. Let me just preview this one, and we can see that there were like four case records were there for this account, and we can just see this four case records in the preview. And so this is how we can just simply retrieve those case related case records with respect to an account. And if we just want to display like on the new cases only, like we can see there are four case records. This case status has new, this case status is new, this case status is on hold, and case status is closed. And if we just want to filter it out, if with respect to the status, like we want to just display only the statuses having the value new, then we can add that filter condition directly in here as well. So in the case extract configuration, we can just add this like AND operator, and in here I can just select the status field. So the status needs to be equal to, like in the first quote or in the double quote we can just use should be new. So now let me just preview this one, and we can see that only the cases with the status new is now showing. So this is how we can just add filter conditions as well in our DataRaptor extract. So that's all for today's demo. So please stay tuned. I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and OmniStudio topics. So thanks for watching.